In Vectorworks Spotlight and Designer, you can use the Soft Goods tool to insert draperies such as curtains, borders, and pipe and drape assemblies. Because the Soft Goods object is path-based, you can draw them straight or curved by using the various polyline drawing modes that are explained in other videos. To use the tool, select it from your Spotlight toolset. Now, click on the Preferences icon in the toolbar. Here you can set the default parameters for the new Soft Goods objects. There are three main configurations or functions of the Soft Goods tool. You can set the object to curtain, border, or pipe and drape. Choose curtain from the drop-down and click OK. The settings can be changed after placement through the Object Info palette. Now, using one of the polyline drawing modes, click to start drawing the Soft Goods object. Move your cursor and click again to end the segment. You can continue drawing segments until the curtain is complete. Double-click to end the segment and complete the object. Once the curtain is created, look in the Object Info palette to modify it. If you drew a straight segment, you can adjust the length by changing the adjustable length value. If you have a curved Soft Goods object, you can see the length listed below as running length. You can also quickly adjust the height of the curtain. Show Centerline will display the center line of the curtain in a top plan view. You can also add track in both 2D and 3D views and adjust the thickness. Show Traveler Pull will show Traveler Pull in top plan at the start or end of the curtain. Open From will create an opening in the curtain at the center or at one of the ends. Select None to hide all openings in the curtain. If you choose to show the curtain opening, you can specify the width for the opening. Show Ghost Curtain will show the open section of the curtain in a top plan view with a gray dotted line. Stock Drape Width specifies the width of one individual drape panel. Total Drape Count displays the number of drape panels required to create your Soft Goods object based on the specified stock drape width that you entered above. Simple 2D will temporarily display the curtain as a line in top plan, making it easier to navigate the drawing or manage other elements. Simple 3D will do the same as Simple 2D, except show the curtain as a flat surface instead of showing the pleats. You can change the distance between the pleats and their depth by adjusting the values below. The Flip Pleats button will switch the negative space and positive space of the pleats. You can change the appearance of the curtain in 3D by clicking on the 3D Curtain Options button. Here you can choose to make the curtain opaque or select a scrim. If you have RenderWorks installed, you can also apply a texture to the curtain. In the drop-down below, choose the scrim or opaque color. You may also wish to create reports on the Soft Good objects in your file. This can quickly be done through the Create Report menu. There are several customizable fields in the Object Info palette that you can pull into a worksheet. The location, material color, material type, top, bottom, and sides finish, fullness percent, lining, and note parameters will not affect the curtain's appearance in the drawing, although it will allow you to create accurate reports on the objects. The Class Soft Goods Parts checkbox will automatically create classes for the different parts of the soft goods for appearance and visibility control. This allows portions of the soft goods to be set to visible, grayed, and invisible. Once the classes have been created, this checkbox toggles whether class visibility changes apply to the selected soft good object. You can also specify a set for the classes that are created by class set below. This will allow you to control visibilities of certain soft goods instead of all of them at once. The soft goods also allow for certain descriptive text fields to be placed on the drawing in order to see more information about that particular object. Click on the Text Options button to open the dialog. Here you can specify what notes or information will be displayed on the soft goods object in top plan view. Click the box for each parameter you want to see on the drawing. You can manually move the location of the tag by clicking on the blue selection handle to pick it up, then clicking on the new location for the text. If you want to move the text back to the default location, click the Default Text Positions button in the Object Info palette. If you configure the soft goods as a border, you will have similar options in the Object Info palette. You will not be able to add, track, or show the border open. The reverse side box will switch the border to the other side of the reference line when Show Centerline is on. The Adjust Starting and Adjust Ending values will offset the starting or ending point of the border by the amount specified. You can also configure the soft goods object as a pipe and drape assembly. Choose Pipe and Drape from the function drop-down box. Many of the options will be the same as curtain and border, but you will also have new options. You can draw the soft goods slider segments at the top of the assembly by clicking Draw Sliders. Now you will have slider options where you can select from a list of standard slider size ranges or click Custom to create a non-standard size and manually enter the slider count. If you select the standard slider range, enter your target length below. This will be the desired slider length within the range that you specified above. Actual length will display the calculated slider length. The number of panel segments created, listed as slider total, depends on the adjustable length of the entire assembly, the selected slider options range, and the target length specified. Base plate size will let you choose from standard base plates or a rounded boom base to add to the uprights. End hardware will allow you to specify if the base plate and upright is added to each end or none. If you do add hardware to the end, you can shift the base plate to the inside or outside of the assembly. This option is not available if you choose a boom base. You will see a running total of the base plates and uprights that are used for the assembly. Show 3D uprights will draw the upright hardware in 3D views. You may want to toggle this off for faster rendering while you work. The other options for pipe and drape are similar to the curtain and border functions. However, pipe and drape offer different 3D curtain options. Click Multicolor from the dropdown. Now in the Multicolor Properties box, you will see the colors in the order that they will alternate on the pipe and drape assembly. You can add or remove colors and change the order by dragging them all in the dialog. To change a color, select it from the Multicolor Properties box on the left. Now change the color through the Panel Color dropdown. Then click Add to update the color on the left. As you can see, the Soft Goods tool can quickly create curtains, borders, and pipe and drape assemblies typically used in event planning. The 3D appearance of soft goods objects can be set for a realistic appearance or display more schematically. The materials used in the soft goods configuration can even be included in a report for cost estimation.